Welcome to day 4.
Hi. I eat cookies. I make a mom. I bring me it a day.
Okay. Welcome to day 4. Today has been super chill, super slow, busy slow. Can we do busy and slow?
No.
I need to go through my list. We might not be able to do anything, honestly. Okay, now read first. Read for mommy. I can count to 10. Okay, go ahead and count, baby.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Where's 6, mama?
6,
Good.
6,
Mm-hmm.
7, 8,
Shh.
9, 10.
Good job.
No. Mommy, I did it. Mom, I did it. Mommy, I'm going to do a ball.
Good job.
I'm going to do a ball.
Oh, you think you're all that, huh? You think you're all that.
Yes.
Letter F, all on her own. Alexa, turn off lights 100%. Oh no, star, moon. We have a star, we have a moon, we have a sun. Good job, girls. What are you eating, Hannah?
Cookie.
Is that a star? Are you eating your star? No.
That's your best, okay? Your best.